My name is Jackson Klingbeil, and it's lucky that you caught me here today. I'll tell you all about chemistry right now. You want to know about chemistry? I got everything about chemistry! Chapter 1, Intro to Chemistry. Chemistry? I'm sorry, I got that list, but I need to go to the doctor. Anywho, pure chemistry is just learning about chemistry. Just learning about the properties of chemistry. It's just knowledge that you want to learn. Applied chemistry is using chemistry in our everyday lives to make our lives better, such as, agriculture, putting scorpions' poison DNA into pesticides so it's more effective. It's my personal thought that pure chemistry eventually becomes applied chemistry most of the time. There are some times where you just make certain elements that are so big that they're so unstable you can't really use them. The second one, we got matter and change. Extensive versus intensive properties. I like intensive properties better because they are more precise when you think about it. Extensive properties such as color and such, it's there, but intensive properties are really the more precise method of measuring something. Chapter 3, we got scientific notation, which you can use to describe really big or really small numbers. And I learned that the size of one atom can be 0.1 nanometers to 0.5 nanometers, which is pretty small. Chapters 5 and 6, I learned about electrons and how they dictate what an atom's personality is. I also learned about this genius named Mendeleev. He created the skeleton frame of the modern periodic table. He even predicted some empty spaces in it. Fun fact about him: his mother took him to a college, and they didn't like him, so she traveled like some 300 miles or something, and went to another college and got accepted. Of course, then after that, Mendeleev's mother died, so go figure. The 7th and 8th chapter, I learned about ionic, metallic bonding, and covalent bonding. It is my personal opinion that metallic bonding is more useful to us as a human species because mobile valence electrons allow metals to be molded and malleable and turn into tools. Hey buddy, how you doing? You want to come be in my video? Come on, man.
Come on, get in there.
All right.
Yeah.
This is his last video here at the school, so say
Chapter 8, covalent bonding.
Covalent bonding is when atoms share their electrons. Okay, get on my face now. It's my spotlight. It's about atoms and how they share electrons, and they're all happy-dappy and lovey-dovey. Chapters 9, 10, 11, I learned about chemical names and formulas. Formulas dictate what elements are in the formulas and how are they bonded, aka CO2 and H2O, one of each, would equal 2 carbon atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 3 oxygen atoms. I also learned important terms in math and stoichiometry. The mole, not the terrestrial dwelling mammal, but the unit of measurement. I learned how it's the highway for changing volume into mass, mass into count, and count into volume, and it's a highway. Yeah, you can basically use the mole to transfer into any sort of unit of measurement. Finally, the chemical reactions: combustion, single and double replacement, combination, and decomposition. That's everything. God bless America. Amen.
yay! Nicely done.